Hi, Matt with Lidlox here, and today we're going to do a bar end Lidlox installation on a Kawasaki sport bike. This bike is the Z900 RS, and the first thing we're going to do is remove the stock bar end weight, which is going to take a 6mm Allen on a ratchet handle. You're going to need a ratchet handle so you can put quite a bit of torque on these. These are Loctited at the factory. They take quite a bit to crack it loose. I've already cracked this one loose, so I'm just going to go ahead and spin it off. And then we're going to install your lid locks in that threaded hole in the end of the handlebar. So the lid locks comes with a specially machined 8mm bolt that uses a 5mm Allen key. Put that through your lid lock's body and through your counterweight with the counter bore on the inside, and that slot is going to end up facing down when we tighten it down. So go ahead and install that in that 8mm threaded hole. Tighten it down with the slot facing down. You can use a little low strength Loctite on that 8mm bolt if you want, but you can put, since it's 8mm, you can torque it down pretty good and it probably won't come loose on you. Now, the other thing to check here is your throttle operation. This one fits perfectly. It's rubbing on your throttle. You just simply need to put a little washer underneath there. If you don't have one, just shoot me an email or whatever, and I'll get one out to you. So then take your threaded lock core, get it started. Then take your key, and we're going to use your key as a tool. It's got a little ridge on it and there's a little slot in the lock core body. Don't push the key all the way in, just partially, and then you can grab the lock core and turn it. And just turn it till it's flush like that, just till it's bottomed out. Don't torque it down. What's going to hold it in is the set screw on the bottom. This little 2mm Allen comes in your lid locks kit. Just take that and just slightly snug down that little set screw, not too tight. That's it, you're installed. So to use your lid locks, you take your helmet extender that came in your kit, put it up through your D-rings of your helmet. Put it up in the slot, push the pin, make sure it's grabbed before you let your helmet go, and there you go. It's that easy to lock it up. To unlock it, make sure you grab your helmet once again. Take the weight off the pin, turn the key slightly, and there you go, you're unlocked. That easy to install. There's your bar end lid locks on a Kawasaki Z900 RS. Thanks for watching.